Extracting parts of a string is a common task in PowerShell. Whether you're working with file names, parsing log files, or handling structured data, knowing how to extract substrings efficiently can save you time. In this Delph Stack tutorial, we'll cover 4 methods. 1. The substring method, which extracts text using a starting position and length. 2. Regular expressions, which allow you to extract patterns from a string. 3. The split method, which helps when working with delimiters. And 4. String indexing, which lets you access individual characters or ranges. Let's start with the substring method. The substring method is a simple way to extract part of a string. You specify where to start, and optionally how many characters to extract. Let's say we have the string hello world. If we use $string.substring open parenthesis 7 close parenthesis, PowerShell extracts everything from the 7th character onward. If we specify a length like $string.substring open parenthesis 0, 5 close parenthesis, it extracts the first 5 characters hello. Sometimes you don't know exactly where a substring starts, but you do know its pattern. That's where regular expressions come in. They allow you to match and extract specific parts of a string, like numbers, dates, or names. Let's extract the age from the string name, John Doe, age 30, using -match if $string-match, age :space open parenthesis \d plus close parenthesis. PowerShell finds the number after age. The extracted value is 30. Next, let's talk about the split method. This is useful when you need to break a string into parts using a specific character, like a comma or space. Say we have a list of fruits: apple, banana, cherry. If we use $string.split open parenthesis, double quote, comma, double quote, close parenthesis, PowerShell separates the text into 3 parts: apple, banana, and cherry. We can then access bananas by selecting the second item from the list. Finally, let's talk about string indexing. PowerShell allows you to extract individual characters or a range of characters using their position in the string. If we have the word hello, we can extract the first character by using $string open bracket 0 close bracket. This returns h-pers. To extract a range, we use $string open bracket 1.3 close bracket. This returns ellers since it selects the characters at positions 1 through 3. So to recap, use substring when you know the exact position of the text you need. Use regular expressions for pattern-based extraction. Use split when working with delimiters. And use string indexing to extract single characters or small ranges. Each method has its own advantages depending on your use case. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more PowerShell tips, and check the description for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.